Can you tell us a bit about your piece?
Sure, these are all bracelets. They're actually from the 1847 time period, where Christine needs them to hold their shirt sleeves down. So they called them buckle bracelets. This is a pair that was given to a young lady, one from her mother, one from her father. And that's how they used to wear them, one on each wrist. They're solid gold and very intricate designing that was popular in that time. They kind of copied their style in England from some of the things they were finding in Cologne secrets.
Were you happy with the value that you got for them?
Yes.
That's good.